Hey, if you want to change background of your profile using LinkedIn mobile application, first you have to click on the left upper corner on your profile picture and select View Profile. From here, you have to click on this background, and now we can take the photo by using your selfie or the rear camera of your phone, but also we can upload it from the photos. So when you open it, from here, that's the gallery of your phone. In my case, that's the Android phone. And if I want to select any of these pictures, I have to click on it. Also, you can simply go for other albums. So we can go for the screenshots, or for example, move into the Google Photos by selecting other. Now, if I want to pick this one, from here, I can also set some adjustments. So for example, I can zoom in and let's say that I want to add this part of the photo. Also, I'm able to rotate. And from here, I can change the brightness level, contrast, saturation, and that's also the last option. Each parameter we can set by using this slider, move it to the left or to the right. And also I can add some filters and click done to confirm. Now it is saving, and after a few moments you will be able to enjoy your new background picture on your profile on the LinkedIn. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.